Hey guys, for any of you watching this video, seen in the title 2 litre TDCi engine from Ford, or a PSA engine similar for a Volvo or Peugeot. This diesel return feed pipe is very important, especially the non-return valve here. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here we are in the workshop. This is the diesel return pipe. This was the end that was connected to the pump. This is the end that was going to the tank. And here we have this small connector, and this had the pipe from the diesel return feed from the injectors. Now, my symptoms were the following. I had a loud pinging noise by very slight acceleration and by full acceleration. In fact, it was very loud. It was like a metallic noise. It was a pinging, and it was uncomfortable when you were sat in the car listening to it. I could not work out what the problem was, but one day I was changing pipes. I changed one of the pipes because I had air in the system, and then I decided to change this pipe because I was not sure at the time if the temperature sensor was working. And after I changed it, the noise, the pinging had gone. On acceleration, the engine was quieter. So after that, I decided to see what was going on here. And what I'd noticed by testing was that when a pressure was applied by this vacuum and pressure pump, that it was staying around about 1.8 bar, almost 2 bar, and the pressure was not dropping. So I assume that the valve, the non-return valve, was not opening, and the diesel that was supposed to run back to the tank was staying in the injectors and most probably being added to the mixture and going into the cylinder and causing an overfuel. After I'd cleaned this, I'd noticed that the pressure was dropping off lighter. It would go up to half a bar and would open, and then the pressure would be gone. So if you're suffering the same symptoms that I was suffering, which was eventually fuel in the oil, or a bad fuel economy, and a pinging on the engine, check this pipe if you have a connector on it like this with a one-way valve. It might be stuck and it might be causing you a hell of a lot of problems. So guys, I hope this helped if you're having the same symptoms as me. If it does, please put a like on the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and from me to you, stay safe, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.